Hi everyone, it's good to connect again. So I want us to look at Indexed Universal Life Insurance, or IUL for short. Okay. Now, guys, I want us to take our time and carefully look at this type of permanent life insurance. Okay, because if you have a well-structured IUL policy, guess what? It provides tangible benefit. Okay, that is way better compared to the benefit you get when you have like a traditional universal life, variable universal life, guaranteed universal life, or even whole life insurance. Okay, tangible benefit when you have a well-structured IUL policy. Okay, um, I know critics would like to point out the fact that IULs have high management fees. They also want to talk about the fact that the interest rates have limitations or caps placed on them, and that prevent them from getting the maximum benefit when the markets are performing better. Look, all these concerns are valid, but if you have a well-structured IUL policy, you don't have to worry about high management fees, and you certainly don't have to worry about interest rates limitations or caps. Okay, now let's look at some of the benefit. There's so many, but let's look at some of the tangible ones. First of all, one of the most attractive features of a well-structured IO policy is the ability to take advantage of the stock market returns without the risk of losses. Okay, and also instead of earning interest rate that is fixed like we see with whole life insurance policies, the cash value portion of your IUL will be tied against the performance of a stock market or a stock index, say the S&P 500. Okay, so whenever the S&P 500 is doing great, guess what? You're also getting great returns. Okay, and unlike investing directly in an index fund, you don't lose money when the market takes a downturn. In other words, when the S&P 500, for example, is performing worse or badly, you don't lose any money. Why? Because there is a guaranteed interest rate that is applied to your principal that ensures it from what? Losses. This is really good. Okay. You also have the flexibility to divide your policy asset between fixed and index portions while building up your death benefit so that when you die, your beneficiaries will receive a lump sum tax free. Okay. That's what a well-structured IUL policy can do for you. It also allows what? Unlimited contributions, tax-free growth and distribution, and the best of all, if you're saving your cash value, okay, as retirement, or you're going to use it, when you retire, guess what? That money is available to you whenever you need it. You don't have to wait until you reach the age 59 and a half, okay, before you can start taking money out tax-free. Okay, so you don't have to worry about being old or any age requirements, because there's nothing like that. Okay, and like I said, you get tax-free death benefit, which means that there's no income or death taxes. The money is yours. You do whatever you want with it. And guess what? Depending on how your policy is structured and the availability of cash, you can borrow or loan the money however you want it without facing penalties. Okay, you don't have to worry about taxes, and you certainly don't have to worry about any credit checks. Okay, and the cool thing is that even the money that you take out from your policy, you don't have to pay it back if you want to. It's your money, you do whatever you want with it. Okay, so like I said, there are so many tangible benefits when you have a well-structured IUL policy that actually outweighs the downside that critics like to point out to. Okay, and so these are, like I said, a few of the benefits. There are so many. And so if you have any questions, please don't forget to text or call me. My number is 608-949-0239 or 520-800-3977. You can also shoot me an email at newlifeagency@gmail.com, or check us out. Our website has a lot of information, newlifeagency.com. And guys, as usual, if you think this video is beneficial, don't forget to share with your friends, your family, loved ones. Don't forget to like it, and don't forget to subscribe to the New Life Agency channel for more useful videos. Okay, I'll see you all soon so that we keep learning and secure our futures together. Bye-bye.